I'm trying to save this little one from the rain. I guess this is its mate that I just found. I think they were mating and got caught. So now we have both. Shame, I just told them that they can stay here until it's time for them to go. And then I was reminded that I woke up with a song, with lyrics like that.
You're not a dream, you're not an angel, you're a man. I'm not a queen, I'm a woman, take my hand. We'll make a space in the lives that we'd planned, and here we'll stay until it's time for you to go. Yes, we're different, worlds apart, we're not the same. We laughed and played at the start like in a game. You could have stayed outside my heart, but in you came. And here you'll stay until it's time for you to go. Don't ask why, don't ask how, don't ask forever. Love me now. This love of mine had no beginning, it has no end. I was an oak, now I'm a willow, now I can bend. And though I'll never in my life see you again, still I'll stay until it's time for you to go. Don't ask why of me, don't ask how of me, don't ask forever of me. Love me, love me now. You're not a dream, you're not an angel, you're a man, yes. And I'm not a queen, I'm a woman, take my hand. We'll make a space in the lives that we'd planned, and here we'll stay until it's time for you to go. And here we'll stay until it's time for